Welcome. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to disable the option that lets people find your X, formerly known as Twitter, account through your email address. This is based on the new update for the desktop version of the app. Whether you're looking for a bit more privacy or simply want to stay low-key, these steps will help you make that change easily. First, open the X app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the More icon. It's the one with 3 dots in a small circle. A menu will pop up from there. Choose Settings and Privacy. Next, under the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Safety. This section controls all the settings that determine who can see you, contact you, and find your account. Once you're in Privacy and Safety, look for the option labeled Discoverability and Contacts, and click on it. Depending on your account settings, you might be asked to confirm your password for security reasons. If you see that prompt, just enter your password and click Next to continue. Now you'll see 2 key options related to discoverability. The first one lets people who have your email address find you on X. To stop that, simply uncheck the box next to Let people who have your email address find you on X. The change saves automatically, so you don't need to hit a save button, and that's it. You've successfully turned off the feature that allows others to find your X account using your email address. If you'd also like to go one step further, you can repeat the same steps to turn off the option that lets people find you using your phone number. Taking just a few moments to adjust these settings helps protect your privacy and keeps your account more secure. Thanks for watching.